Welcome to my Affiliate Profit Pro channel. In today's video we talk about this free app that make you money when you downloaded it. You don't need to do anything after you downloaded it. Just check the app after a month and deposit your money into your bank account. So like I said, we all have apps on our phone, on social media, or help us navigate our life on the daily basis. How many apps on your phone pay you right now? This one is looking for beta testers and it pays. You carry your phone around every day anyway, why don't you download this app that give you a free $25 a month, the app that pays on it. Companies are tracking your activity 24/7, 365. Heads up. No matter who you are, your age, creed, color, beliefs, data doesn't care and it never discriminates. Every single one of us has a phone, a social media account, uses a navigation app or dating app or banking app, etc. And we create data with every click or swipe. What we aren't told is how valuable that data is and how all of these apps and companies make bank by selling our data to the highest bidder. Your data is currency. And yes, you and me are the ones who create all that value and get nothing for it. Until now, it's time to flip the script on big tech. It's your data, so you might as well make it anonymous and get paid for it. It's simple. You get paid to have a free app. Link is in the description of this video to download this app and start making a passive income month after month for free. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe.